I started it now so they get it.
Here's the bag, everybody. That's right. Nope. Messages are all inside. Oh, you're going to make it big? I didn't make it.
But I'm periscoping her giving it to the guys.
Oh. We're all the same. Okay.
Some of them are mine.
Say pretty, pretty, please, Dawson. Pretty, please.
She is your number one fan.
Down there dancing the whole time.
You both of those signed too? Front or back?
Front.
Front?
Thanks for coming out.
Pam was going to bring gifts.
We'll see you next time, all right?
Like handouts or something.
Here's a rainy day
Oh,
jar.
that's okay, but you're going to come later.
We're periscoping it right now so everyone can see.
You guys, I am presenting the rainy day jar messages for the tour from the fries.
This is awesome.
So, girlfriends
And
and
easy to
wives
pack.
are going to have to
It's not for you to sign, it's just for you to take.
Absolutely.
Messages
No, I know. I get it.
He's
This is way easier to keep than the one last time. It was a glass jar.